Today we are back with another problem, and today's problem is removing duplicates from a string. So say for example, we will be given a string. We'll be given a string. We can take a string as ZVVO, and our task is to return ZVO. Okay, we'll be only keeping the first occurrence. We will only keeping the first occurrence of the string. So since it is saying we will be keeping the first occurrence and removing the duplicate from the string, I have developed an easy approach which will be very easy for you guys to solve in Java. Okay, so this is a approach for Java. So what basically we are going to do is we'll be suppose having a string function. Okay, string function. Okay, and in this function we'll be passing say string str. Okay, now my goal is to create a linked hash set. So I'll be having a linked hash set. Okay, linked hash set of the type character and say linked hash set abc equals to new linked hash set so and so. Okay, just ignore the abbreviations, you guys can understand. So for I will having a loop, I will having a character c which is present in the input dot to char array. So means str dot to char array. Okay, once this is done, what my initial goal is, I have to put these elements inside the hash set, right? So abc dot add, I will add this character. Okay, and close this. After that, I'll be creating a string builder object which will uniquely store all the values. So string builder, okay, ob equals to new string builder. Okay, so once the string builder is done, I will again traverse a loop for c present in my hash set. So what I'm going to do is ob dot append. This time I will append the characters of the hash set, and lastly I'm going to return ob dot toString. Okay, so this is all about today's problem statement. Now we are going with the coding and implementation part. So with the coding and implementation part, you can see I've created a linked hash set character. I've created a character linked hash set and OP and then returned it. Okay, so let's do it again. Yeah. So if I'm doing it again, what will my initial goal? My initial goal is to linked hash set of type character, say abc equals to new linked hash set. Okay. Once my hash set is done, I'm going to traverse it. So char ch is present in, for char ch present in str.to char array, converted the string into character arrays. Now I'm going to add abc.add. I'm going to add the character in the hash set, linked hash set, which will store ordered. Linked hash set is used to store character in orderly manner. Okay, once that is done, what I will have a string builder object. So say string builder ob equals to new string builder. Okay, so for say char ch present in my hash set, so I'm going to add ob dot append ch and return ob dot to string. So that is how simple this code is. Okay, submit. So initially I thought this will not pass the test case, but it has passed the test cases successfully. So this was about today's problem statement, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do make sure that you like, share and subscribe to this particular channel. There are more viewers than subscribers, and I want the number to get high. It keeps me motivated to post more content. Thank you so much and have an amazing day ahead.